It's lighting up on its own. Let's press it one more time. Okay, now it goes off. One time press and it stays lit. Let's try to press it again. And that's when it does the stuttering. Super dope. I mean, I like them. They even light up. But is they worth $300? Plus tax? What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. What did I tell y'all in my How to Style video? I told y'all I got some fire coming. J Balvin dropped Jordan 2s. I shouldn't need to say that. If you're a sneakerhead, if you even know a little bit about sneakers, then you know this happened. I mean, it's not my guy. It's not Player. It's Playa. Bad Bunny, that's my guy, man. But J Balvin got a story, man. I didn't even know he's from the Medellin, man. J Balvin got a story. Now, them Jordan 1s, they were too colorful for me. I'm feeling these right here, man. Looks like nice clouds. Smiley face looks high. Glow in the dark. This is dope, man. This is dope. If you haven't, man, hit subscribe, tap the notification bell if you're feeling dangerous. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes, man, and what I do here is give y'all everything I could give y'all. Sneakers, streetwear, you name it, man. But today, we talking about the J Balvin Jordan 2s. A lot of quality in this sneaker, a lot of little secret things that you probably won't even catch unless you're really looking. So we're going to get into a full in-depth review of this sneaker right now. Unboxing time. Super dope, man. Nice presentation. The gloss and I guess the graphic is so iconic on the box. It looks like it's just going to pop off the box and it looks like it glow, but it doesn't. This is just high quality graphic, guys. So you get two flashing green, lime green graphics on the front of the box. The box is pink, super dope. If you get to the side of the box, it gives you that wing cloud material up there, and that's on both sides of the shoe. When you get to the bottom of the shoe, it grays out a little bit, fades out, and you get sign there that reads, it's Air Jordan with a whole bunch of flash icons and things of that nature. It reads Air Jordan 2 Retro SP. The colors is Celestine Blue, White Multi, and that's about it. The bottom you have nothing but all your bells and whistles, your Swish logo, Nike, etc., etc., etc. When you flip open the lid, you get the dope cloud tissue paper with the J Balvin smiley face with the thunderbolts in it. But the clouds is super dope. Reminds you of a Simpsons episode about to start. And here's a 360 view of the J Balvin Jordan 2. Now, before we get to the elephant in the room, which is the light up tongue, let's start with the back. I like his logo, man. I like that J Balvin logo. Super dope. Smiley face, but put your own, your own spin on it. Sort of like what Travis Scott has done also with the smiley face. So I like that. So in the back, you have that with the same clouds that I showed y'all that he used as the inside tissue paper. But if you look, it's like a translucent hard plastic covering the clouds. So the clouds is really not the outer material. The material is a clear, translucent plastic. As you can see, it starts there and it comes all the way around. I told y'all it's some detail in this sneaker. I'm trying to start and finish in the same place instead of jumping around. You got your Nike logo there, same Jordan 2 logo that you see almost on every Jordan 2, even the collabs this year. But the material changes. This is still hard plastic, but as you come around to the sneaker now, you get a softer touch mesh look as the clouds seem to go away, but you're still keeping that baby blue colorway. And the inside threading is where you get your Jordan 1 look again. Far as all the colors you've seen in that Jordan 1, you still get them here, but they're more settled in this silhouette, and that's what I like. The shoelaces is the same Jordan 2 silhouette look. As you see the little thin plastic there, covering the shoelaces. And there go your Jordan 2 silhouette look under it. And that same light blue, sky blue if you want to call it. As you get towards the front of the sneaker, you got your regular Jordan 2 laces, but they have pink tips, J Balvin style. They don't read anything. They just have pink tips on it. But same Jordan 2 shoelaces. As we go all the way down, you get that same iconic Jordan 2 silhouette. Now, when I was talking about detail, right, let's go to the bottom of the shoe. I wear 10.5, guys. That's my personal size. Sometimes I go 11. Look at the bottom of the shoe. It reads 10.5. So the size of your sneaker is at the bottom of the sneaker. I think that's dope. I know it's settled. I know it's small, but that is dope to me. OG Nike logo in translucent sky blue at the bottom also. Before we get to the outside of the light up tongue, let's get to the inside. I'm going to try to unlace this a little bit, guys, so we could get in here.
A few moments later.
Here we go, guys. So the inside stays in theme with the cloud. Even the inside of the sneaker, man, is all clouds, guys. And super, super, not comfy is the word I'm looking for, padded. Super, super padded, man. Right? So the inside has the clouds and it reads the same Air Jordan that I showed y'all on the box with the thunderbolts and stuff. So now we all know the front lights up. As you can see, I must have hit the button by accident. As you can see, the LED is lighting up in real time. The button is here. And if you look at that button, it's super dope. We know Jordan brand they took from the Reebok pump, but they made it 2022 style. So I don't know, it's lighting up on its own. Let's press it one more time. Okay, now it goes off. One time press, and it stays lit. Let's try to press it again. And that's when it does the stuttering. Super dope. This is the right shoe here. You have sky blue laces with mint green tips. I love this mint green colorway. Not talked about a lot. Shout out to the turbo green Jordan 1s. And then you got another shoelace here, all mint with pink. That's another dope way. I don't know which one I will go at, guys. But all shoelaces instead of the white ones is a go for me. But yeah, even the white ones is a go for me, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Looks to add up the same. Smiley face. Only thing changed is the lace bag. Let me know in the comment section below, guys, if y'all think that this sneaker was $300 just because of this LED button. Please let me know that, guys. I don't believe that to be so, but I mean, Jordan 2 collab's been coming out crazy this year. As I told y'all, I warned y'all about this way back in February. It's a Jordan 2 anniversary. I don't know if it's 30 year, 35 year, but I knew more collabs were coming down the flood. I knew it. This is the best one this year as far as a collab. I'm going out on the limb. This is the best one this year. The Union 2 joints in this one is similar. The LED tongue trump stat. The Armand Meunier joints, you know, this is the best one so far. Let me know in the comment section below what is the best Jordan 2 collab this year. They're making us love Jordan 2s. But y'all know I'm on record. When it comes to Jordan 2s, Don C's is still #1 for me. He went out and got this Jordan 2 years ago. No hype. And it just looks like a luxury back seat, man. Like a Maybach, man. Yeah, so in the beginning, I said, was this sneaker worth $300? The problem is, right, I'm going to break it down. The clothing is fire. The shirt with the alien Jordan shooting the ball, I'm about to buy that in all 3 colorways, being that it didn't sell out. But the reason it didn't sell out is because we had to spend $300 on the sneaker. Like, I won this off the sneakers app. I never check the price. I'm never thinking nothing to be more than $250 on the sneakers app. When they told me I won, and then I looked at my account and I got charged $326, I said, well, but did I win twice? Did I get my son a pair? And it was one? I ran to StockX to check the prices. And at that time, the day these dropped, StockX had these for $350. I said I spent $326 on a sneaker that's going for $350. But when they came, the packaging, the LED light, just a nice baby blue, I like them. So are they worth $326 in my opinion? No. I'll go $260, $275. But the packaging is dope. The LED light and tongue, that's fire, man. And the merch is dope. It's very rare that we can say the merch is dope. The merch is dope. So I'm about all 3 colorways in the shirts, and expect a how to style for this in the upcoming weeks, man. But let me know if you was able to cop. Let me know if you think you're gonna do resale on these. I don't know, man. I really like these. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.